Hey everyone, welcome back. Zain here, and today we are diving into a head-to-head comparison of two popular money transfer services, Remitly and TapSend. If you are looking for the best way to send money internationally, stay tuned as we will explore the features, fees, speed, and overall user experience of both services. Overview of each service. Let's start with a quick introduction. Remitly is a well-established money transfer company founded in 2011. Known for its large reach and multiple transfer options, it operates in over 135 countries with various payout methods. On the other hand, TapTap, founded more recently, has focused on providing affordable and straightforward money transfers to emerging markets with a focus on mobile payments, transfer fees, and exchange rates. One of the most important factors when sending money is the cost. Both Remitly and TapTap are known for competitive fees, but they structure them differently. Remitly usually charges a fixed fee plus a markup on the exchange rate. The exact amount depends on the destination country and speed of transfer. TapTap, however, charges no transfer fee, but they do adjust the exchange rate slightly, meaning they earn from the conversion rate. For example, let's compare sending $100 to Ghana. Remitly may charge around $3.99 for a regular transfer, but offers a higher exchange rate, while TapTap might offer a slightly lower exchange rate with no additional fee. Speed of transfers. Next up, transfer speed. Remitly offers two main options: Express for faster transfers, typically within minutes but with a higher fee, and Economy, which is lower in cost but can take up to 3 days. TapTap primarily focus on instant transfers to mobile wallets, which are completed within minutes. For those sending to bank accounts, though, it may take up to 24 hours. So if speed is your top priority and you are sending to a mobile wallet, TapTap might be the winner, especially for transfers to Africa and Asia, coverage and supported countries. When it comes to coverage, Remitly has a significant edge. It's available in more than 135 countries worldwide. TapTap, meanwhile, is more specialized, focusing on countries in Africa, Asia, and some areas of Latin America. If you are sending to a less common destination, Remitly might be your best. But if you are sending to specific countries where TapTap operates, you may benefit from faster and more affordable service. User experience and app design. Let's talk about user experience. Both apps are highly rated for their user-friendly design, but they have slightly different focuses. Remitly's app provides detailed tracking and various payout options like cash pickup, mobile money, and bank deposits. TapTap keeps things simple, which is great if you prefer fewer options and faster processing for mobile wallet transfers. Security and customer support. Security is critical for any financial service. Both Remitly and TapTap are regulated and follow strict compliance protocols. Remitly also offers 24/7 customer support through chat, email, and phone, while TapTap has a limited support team available during business hours. Pros and cons of each service. And let's start with Remitly pros. You have wide coverage in many countries, as we mentioned before, multiple payout options, flexible transfer speeds. For Remitly cons, there might be higher fees for faster transfers, plus the exchange rate markup. TapTap pros include no transfer fees, fast transfers to mobile wallets, simple interface. TapTap cons include limited destination countries, fewer payout options. So which one should you choose? If you are sending money to one of the countries supported by TapTap and speed with low cost is your priority, TapTap might be the way to go. But if you are looking for broader coverage and more payout options, Remitly could be the better choice. Ultimately, both platforms offer reliable services. It just depends on your specific needs. And that's all for today's comparison. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.